traders, welcome to TradersHub Ninja. Today we are going to learn the 3 black cross candlesticks pattern. 3 black cross candlesticks pattern is a bearish reversal pattern that appears in the financial charts. These candles typically shows a strong downtrend. It consists of 3 consecutive bearish candles with small or no shadows. These patterns suggest a significant shift in the market sentiment from bullishness to bearishness. It often indicates that buyers are losing control and sellers are gaining strength. Looking at the chart, previously it was an uptrend. At the end of an uptrend, 3 black cross candle forms in a real market. How to identify? This one is a 3 black cross candle. One particular price was acted as a resistance. In this level, 3 red candles, 3 red bearish candles formed. First candle is a bearish candle. Second candle is also a bearish candle. It closed below the first candle low price. And the third candle is also a bearish candle. This candle is also closed below the second candle low price. These 3 bearish candles called a 3 black cross candle. What will be happen in the next? 3 black cross candle pattern typically signifies a bearish reversal in the market. When this pattern forms after an uptrend, it often indicates a potential trend reversal into a downtrend. So, 3 black cross candle is a bearish reversal candlesticks pattern. Looking at the chart, previously it was an uptrend. One particular price was acted as a resistance. In this resistance level, we will get a 3 red candles, continuous 3 bearish candles. First candle is a bearish candle. Second candle is also a bearish candle. Second candle closed below the first candle low price. Third candle is also a bearish candle. This candle is also closed below the second candle low price. These 3 red candles, bearish candle is called a 3 black cross candle. This particular 3 black cross candle formed at the end of an uptrend. The trend will be changed. Previously it was an uptrend. The trend will be changed into downtrend after forming a 3 black cross candle. 3 black cross is a bearish reversal candlesticks pattern. So we are ready to take a sell entry after closing a 3 black cross candle. Looking at the chart, a particular price level acted as a support, marked as a bottom line. Look here, this is a double bottom also. How to identify this particular pattern is a double bottom? First bottom. How to identify the first bottom? Lowest body of the first bottom and then lowest wick of the first bottom. You have to draw a box. How to market react this level? This one is the second bottom. So this one is the first bottom, neckline here, second bottom, neckline breakout happen here and market will coming to the same neckline level. We are ready to take a buy entry. Uptrend was strong here. So market was acted as a support. Buyers are in control of the market. Market will go high. Uptrend was getting strong. And then another price level was served as a resistance. Here sellers are in control of the market. Look this particular candle. It was a bearish Marbushu candle. So we are ready to take a sell entry. Downtrend was getting strong. In this particular resistance level, we are getting a 3 continuous bearish candles here. 3 continuous bearish candles. These 3 continuous bearish candles, you have to watch. The first candle is a bearish candle. Second candle is also a bearish candle. It closed below the first candle low price. Third candle is also a bearish candle. It closed below the second candle low price. These 3 bearish candle is called a 3 black cross candle. 3 black cross candle, it was formed in a proper resistance level. It was a trend reversal. Previously it was an uptrend. The trend will be changed into downtrend after forming of 3 black cross candle. So we are ready to take a sell entry after closing these 3 candles. Previously it was an uptrend, strong uptrend. Here market was acted as a resistance. In this resistance level, we will get a 3 black cross candle. 3 black cross is a bearish reversal candlesticks pattern. It was formed in a proper resistance level. So we are ready to take a sell entry. Where to enter the trade? Closing these particular 3 candles. Here we have to take a sell entry. Our stop loss is above the 3 black cross candles. Our target is 1:2 or 1:3. This is a way to approach 3 black cross candle. In the next video, we will learn a new topic. Subscribe to our channel and continue supporting us for more videos. Thank you for watching.